If your parrot waddles instead of flies, you're not in Kansas, you're in New Zealand. If your parrot booms all night, you might be listening to a dating DJ. The kakapo is the world's heaviest parrot and strictly nocturnal. They can live over 90 years. Yeah, that parrot could outlive your plants. Males dig bowl-shaped depressions and perform epic booming calls, sometimes 8 hours a night, for months, to attract a mate. Imagine a bass line that travels across a valley. Only about 250 kakapo remain, each with a name and a dedicated team watching over them. They can't fly, they walk and climb, surprisingly graceful for a chunky bird. Conservationists monitor, hand-feed, and protect every chick. It's equal parts weird, ancient, and heartbreakingly rare. So next time you hear a low boom in the wild, respect the silence, support conservation, and let the kakapo keep its groove.